Hello and welcome to this episode of Traverse City Guide. Today we're heading to Bubba's Burgers in downtown Traverse City. Bubba's is known for their delicious burger menu, appetizers, Bloody Marys, and more. I'm going to give you a full food review and show you everything they have to offer. Let's head in and grab a bite to eat. Bubba's is conveniently located right off of Front Street and there's metered parking right outside. Bubba's has the perfect size menu. They had a great variety of starters, salads, and burgers. They didn't have an overcomplicated menu, and it was easy to read. On the opposite side of the menu was their drink menu. They had cocktails, Bloody Marys, wine and beer. They also had a boozy shake menu, which had a handful of shakes that they added alcohol to. Here's a look at their kids menu. It was reasonably priced and they had a nice variety of options for our daughter to choose from. And if you're visiting during the morning hours, Bubba's also serves breakfast. For our appetizer, we got this loaded pulled pork tots, which were crispy tater tots with smoked cheddar cheese sauce with barbecue pork and scallions on top. This was a rather large portion for us to easily split up, and it was very well prepared. The pulled pork was very tender, there was plenty of meat, but the cheese sauce was the real treat. This cheese sauce was very flavorful and worked well with the crispy tater tots. This appetizer was a great meal to split and all the flavors worked really well together. Hey, have you subscribed yet? Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on the next Traverse City Guide. Our family also got the Bubba's Taco Basket, which was mesquite chicken, cilantro lime rice, cheddar cheese, shredded lettuce, jalapenos with sour cream, house-made pico, and served with guacamole and chips. This was a fork and knife affair, but it was a rather large taco, and there was plenty of toppings inside.
For my lunch, I got the Traverse City salad. It was mixed greens, dried cherries, feta, red onion, walnuts, and it comes with cherry vinaigrette. I did get the cherry vinaigrette on the side, and I felt like this salad was an exceptional size for the price of it. There was a lot there, and I thought that the toppings were throughout the entire salad, which I really appreciated. In the past, I have added the chicken to it, and that is really good as well. So if you're thinking about getting that salad, that's a great option too.
Our family also got the Turkey Club sandwich, which was smoked turkey, bacon, avocado, red onion, smoked Gouda, roasted garlic aioli, lettuce, tomato on a ciabatta bread. It was very fluffy bread. The turkey was very soft and very tender, and the crispy seasoned fries were also great. For my meal, I got the Big Blue Burger, which was a blackened patty with bacon, blue cheese, jalapenos, onion rings, spinach, tomato, mayonnaise on a pretzel bun. There was a generous portion of blue cheese and fries on my plate, and it was served open-faced, but once I folded it, I actually had to cut it because it was so large. I asked for my burger to be cooked medium, and it absolutely was. It was a very messy yet delectable burger. We also witnessed somebody get one of the big Bloody Marys, which was a 24-ounce Bloody Mary with 2 shots of vodka, 2 onion rings, Irish egg roll, 2 mac and cheese bites, 2 chicken wings, pickle, jalapeno, and served with a Miller High Life pony. Wow. Alright, we're just wrapping up at Bubba's Burgers in downtown Traverse City. That was a delectable meal. My burger was stacked with toppings. The 2 onion rings, the jalapenos, and the blue cheese was irresistible. That was a really good meal. We would highly recommend stopping down to Bubba's if you're visiting downtown Traverse City. Again, those appetizer tots were great with the pulled pork, super tender, great to split between a family of 6. Thank you so much for watching this episode of Traverse City Guide. Until next time, I'm Justin.